This is how you actually meditate. If I was to ask you right now, close your eyes, but don't think of a polar bear, I can guarantee you're seeing one. And herein lies the issue most people have with meditation. It's not about clearing your mind. It's actually about learning to let thoughts go. What meditation really does is it teaches us to put a space between stimulus and response. So here's how we do it. Find a spot, any spot. Sit down, eyes closed, and breathe. Follow the breath in and out. Acknowledge that yes, thoughts will come into your mind. Thank them and let them go. If your mind wanders, that's okay. The moment you realize this has happened, bring your attention back to the breath and begin again. So if you're stressed out, if you're starting to feel overwhelmed, take a moment. Breathe in for 4 and out for 4. Do 5 breaths. By practicing this sort of meditation, we learn to put space between the stimulus and the response, and we recognize that not all stimulus require a response. Namaste.